It sound good in here.
That's right.
Can you still get my levels? Can you still get my levels? Ah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Julio Iglesias on guitars. That nigga Bull Rock on the beat. Yes, sir. James Todd, the Earthquaker. Let me tell you about this girl named Peg. A DC haircut with stewardess legs. Dressed to kill, her physique is ill. Her face belongs on $100 bill. Her boyfriend, he's down with that MOB. Riding around in the 300E. Truck jewelry and all that. Talking about my man can't fall black. Sipping on shams, diamonds on her hands. Taking cabs, carrying drugs for her man. Riding around in the kitted of Jetta. Under the seat of automatic Beretta. You know the whole blasey blah rap. Telling niggas they need to get off a bra strap. That's what kind of girl she is. Word to me, she rocked a full-length blue fox. She knock you out the box, big blocks. This girl is hype hops, the kind that Cole did Sonny wrong. She got a face that you wanna spend money on. Her man be smacking her up and shit, backing her up to the wall. Get undressed, where you going? You ain't playing me out with that hoeing. Look in the mirror, check the jewels. You silly rabbit, you know the rules. But he had to leave on another deal. So now she's out there with sex appeal. And it's the weekend, time for freaking. She's sneaking outside, telling the homegirls we can do the do with whoever we want to. Cause we the baller bitch crew. Not knowing Bull Rock fucked up the money. Riding around thinking everything funny. Went to the Montview, came outside. Some niggas pushed her in the beat up ride. She had to pay for a man's mistakes. They shot her in the head. That's the breaks. Flatline. Hey, bring that glass back in here.